in this episode of the Garage Vlog. Have you seen the parking lot?
No, it's all messed up.
I wouldn't go out there.
Yeah.
So Mike comes up to me, tells me the snowplow guy's out there just jacking up all our gravel, which might not be a big deal to these guys, but I'm the guy that's in charge of all the gravel maintenance outside. Huh. Looks like he plowed gravel instead of snow.
There's literally piles of gravel. This is all dirt. So I come rolling into the shop. We got a little bit of snow overnight, a little bit less than 2 inches. So I come into the driveway, and all of a sudden I start seeing this perimeter, and the closer I get, I realize it's all gravel. The guy literally scooped all the gravel off the parking lot and just pushed it to the sides.
I'm less than thrilled. Oh, now it's gonna be muddy as shit whenever freaking trucks are trying to come in and out. So I gotta fire up this Bobcat back here. Gotta smooth a little gravel. It's better than the shovel, so I can't really complain too much.
So we're gonna wait and see what Dave's reaction is here. I'm sure he's gonna be less than thrilled.
You must have Pitzer out here too.
Oh yeah, get him out here.
He winds them up.
Oh yeah.
I don't always wind DK up. I don't know why these guys always think I do stuff like that.
Mike.
Yes, sir.
We need you back up here ASAP.
Oh, okay. I'll be right out. No problem.
Less than 2 inches.
It's literally less than 2 inches with drift.
With drift. We needed you up here to wind up DK off the parking lot so we can
Get some good
Oh, I
contact.
see you on the way.
Pitzer texts me on a Monday morning, and I'm like, what now? Here we go. It's not a good morning. It's the plowman was here, and he graded the driveway. I had to come see this for myself.
He'll be here in 3 minutes. Dave is down to the minute of when he gets here every single day, and he prides himself on that. Oh!
Are you kidding me? Did you guys see this? Who plows a parking lot like that?
Look at that. Look at those piles.
This is ridiculous. Which I'm gonna feel bad because like he'll watch it and I think I hate him and really I could care less. Like being the plow guy, you almost can't win. And you know what I say? It's our fault. Make more money and get a paved driveway. I'll put it this way: if this is the worst that we have to deal with this week, I'll be thankful. Because it's not gonna be. It's gonna be a show. And it definitely wasn't the worst thing that happened that week.
So they should have shipped 3 of them, but I guess looking at it, it says that one of them came USPS and one of them was coming Ativan Postal Service. We've been wanting to get in some samples of some different hoodies. The hoodies that we have on our website, they're cool, they're nice, but there's definitely some better stuff out there. So we went ahead and ordered some samples, but we want to be able to provide the best type of product that we can. So when you guys get a TGV hoodie in your hands, you go, man, this is a sweet hoodie. I want to wear this every single day. This one did have the option for this back here.
It's pretty cool.
On the back.
Now you only see that when the hood's up, when you're in party mode. Oh, dude, I got a thing. So we have that, but it says like "go off."
Oh,
and then,
yeah,
like
we
you
got the
flip
hood-
it up.
we got the hood up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you can read this, the fell off.
So that one was $33 printed. Like it's nice.
Smells like swank.
Swank number 7 TGV.
I'll give it 2.5 braps out of 5. So
No, it's definitely higher quality than our other ones.
It looks like even like the sleeve cuffs are a little bit nicer.
Yeah.
you know, us country folks, we put a little butter on a piece of bread, and then we just take our corn and we just, you know, in the summertime, that's how
Whoa.
you butter your corn. That's what I thought we were gonna have to do to Benji to get him. Is it really that unhealthy though? I don't know.
Pretty sure it is.
Just try to bring you guys the best.
I was telling Ben, trim the mustache.
Oh, nice. Thinned her down. You
Same
gotta watch
thing.
those nose hairs too, because then if you start letting that mustache go, those nose
Oh,
hairs just, you
I'll
gotta
tell
get
you
up
what.
in there and do a little weed
You
whacking.
hit like 29, all of a sudden nose hairs become a problem.
You hit 40, I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm gonna bare my soul. You hit 40 and I'm staying on top. Freaking
Really?
ear hair. Yeah.
Really?
It'll come out of the top of my ear and just whoop, and I'll be like, what is that? Must be a dog hair. And I'll grab it and I'll go, ah! And then like literally, about that one, and I get one like right at the little dooflicky here, my little bean here. Oh yeah. I'm a beet farmer.
Oh, hey, Josh. Thanks for staying at work today.
Got 2 heading out today. I ship a lot of crates, a lot of trikes. Cut the wood, put them on the pallet, band the wheels, nail it all together, and we're sending it out the door.
For the tires spinning or is that the belt? Tires are spinning?
Yeah.
Sweet.
We got some snow. First real good snow of the season. It's end of January. We got mini trikes that we've been wanting to get some content with. So today's the day.
Let's get this thing warmed up for a little snow action, so.
Might need your jacket for this one.
I like to fire it up every now and then to wind Mike up. Get him amped up. Better fuel this thing up.
Don't pull a Dave and fill it up and spill it all over the back end of the BMW.
It's time we go test out this mini trike. So you're probably wondering why I'm decked out in full motocross gear to go ride this little mini trike. It's for the content. The trike did amazing in the snow, surprisingly. Those Maxxis tires, they just dug right in and gave us maximum traction. I definitely want to try to jump this.
Do it.
I have my boots and stuff on.
Jump
I
off
would go
this
for
side.
that one.
I'd go for one of the small ones down there.
Yeah.
Just don't blow your back
I
out.
feel like this is this is a terrible idea.
This is a great idea. Send it! Woo! All right, if he doesn't want to hit it, I'll hit it. Give me that bike. I said, give me that trike. Let me show you how to jump this thing. Wow!
Dave jumping the mini trike was insane. I was a little nervous to do it. I don't want to, mess my back up or anything like that. Everyone else chickened out, and DK was the guy flying off the jump.
Hey, where's my boys at with your differential? That live axle's just out here doing work.
I didn't jump the mini trike because I am smart enough to know that that could snap my ankle whenever you land on something that's iced up and snowy, and I didn't want to break my ankles. I didn't do it.
It's all for you guys at home. Just remember, one day you can jump like DK.
Let Pitzer bring my Milwaukee heat gun.
Call Mike Pitzer.
Yes, sir.
Hey, buddy, is there any chance you could bring Ben's to Milwaukee heat gun?
Oh, okay, I'll be right out. No problem.
Thanks, man. All right, Pitzer's on it, folks. I'd like to thank Biscuits and Gravy.
I'm just melting the snow right into the carburetor.
Yeah, drip right in. Go underneath because heat rises, and I just kind of like lamb-baste that thing. But every driver has his own way of de-icing on the track. Oh, yeah.
The trike was a blast in the snow. I was out there drifting it left, right, wheeling, and I had to hit the jump. Dave did it. I couldn't let him be the top dog of the day. But as you guys can see in the video, I didn't get as much air as I thought I did. And I have to give props to DK for sending it.
Order stuff on your personal, it comes earlier than on the business account. So it won't be here till Monday.
Isn't today Monday? So today.
No, next Monday. I'm telling you, Bezos has it out for us being in business. He said, those mini trikes, we're gonna make you guys wait.
So I'm the forklift guy, everyday procedure, loading these trucks. These clowns can't do what I do, so, full bar, I take full responsibility. Another one's leaving, I'm happy about it.
Another happy customer.
Get out of here! That big Opar box.
Opar? Oh, wow. What are you smiling about?
I was just thinking of like all the accessories you need for your whiteboard. So you could be like that guy with the chart.
Oh, it's only $6? Yeah, I get that. We're ordering a whiteboard. Now this whiteboard is gonna boost productivity through the roof. We're gonna be able to write down video ideas, different things that are going on, any announcements that need to be seen by all the employees. It's gonna go right in the office so we can plan out every single video and anything that we wanna do.
Pictures out there cold.
Since we got our driveway freshly graded this morning, it's a little soft out there.
Yeah, it probably is. That thing never leaves that paint. Ooh, man. Good stuff.
Russ is always hassling me about me being on my phone. Little does he know, I'm probably talking to DK or something, you know. He's sitting in his office, always on his dang phone.
All right, guys, it is time to do our frame giveaway. We ran this for, what, 2 weeks? We had a couple entrants, not too many. We're gonna be giving this away to one lucky guy. Second place, we're gonna have a pair of Pit Vipers. Third place is gonna be a TGV hat. So we didn't originally say that, but we want to spread the wealth here a little bit and help you guys out that entered. So Dave's gonna get it rock and rolling. We're gonna do the random drawing like we did with the last giveaway Trike and pick the winners. Any piece of merch that you bought on our website, every dollar that you spent was worth one entry. Now we've done this with mini Trikes twice already, so we decided to see how it went with frames. So it's time to find out the winners.
It's for the frame, the big boy.
Here we go. It's party time.
Stephen J. Stephen J, congratulations.
Woo!
You won the frame. I want to see this thing powder coated, build out. Get all your parts from us, www.tgvshop.net. Now we're going to redraw. So this redraw is going to be for the Pit Vipers. One. Congratulations, Jamie T. Thanks for supporting and entering our contest. All right, so now we're going to do the TGV leather laser. Shout out to Citizen Hunting Company. They make these amazing hats locally for us. Steve W. If that's the same Steve I'm thinking of, he is a very popular guy. Buys a lot of stuff from us, and he deserves to win because he's a big supporter and follower.
Oh man, that's sweet.
I can't believe I did this. Troy, this is why we always have a cameraman with us. Please pick up, Russ. Hey, what's going on? Oh, I'm in a ditch here on the side of the road.
So I'm getting ready to come to work in the morning. I get a call from Dave. Literally word for word from Dave. He goes, you think you could drop that F-150 in 4-wheel drive and come pick me in Brooklyn up? We're in a ditch.
Heading up to the school and she got a little squirrely. You can put that thing in 4-wheel drive and come give me a tug.
And I'm just getting all frantic. Usually I try to get everything in the morning so I don't forget my computer, my charger, this. So I go running out of the house. He goes, I'll drop you a pin. After I asked him, where are you at? He goes, I'll drop you a pin.
I'll send you a pin. All right, later.
Okay, I just start heading towards the shop because I know how it's, he's taking Brooklyn to school. I'm like, okay, I'll head that way. I look back at my text to the group. Dave's saying people are flying by, no one's stopping. So I call him, nothing. Text him, nothing. I'm thinking they got aced. 2 minutes later, Ben calls me and says, hey, we got Dave out of the ditch.
I got another mailbox. That's two.
He needs like some of those
his legs off.
His knee out.
What happened?
My leg hit into the steering wheel as I skied this thing and
really?
Yeah,
that's from the steering wheel.
Yeah.
Dave has to shoehorn himself into this F-150. He puts that seat as high as it will go and that steering wheel as low as it'll go. I don't know why. There's no need. Well, you know how close he sits to that wheel.
Oh yeah, he's basically in front of the wheel.
Anybody that's drove that truck, you got to compress your thighs just to get in there.
I'd like to raise that seat up high so I can see around. Now I learned my lesson after I accidentally put the truck into a ditch yesterday that might not be the best recipe for keeping my legs in one piece, so I probably won't be doing that anymore.
You know what this wouldn't happen with? A Humvee.
Oh yeah.
Tires getting low.
Who'd have thought? Freaking the tires losing air. Look at that.
Yeah, no good.
Yeah, this thing was like.
There's if you walk around this way, we can see some more mailbox damage.
How many mailboxes were there?
It was on the other side of the road. Somehow smacked it with this, and then the mailbox ended up on the other side of the road.
This thing's totaled.
You were trying.
Oh man, look at that.
She'll never be right.
Oh man, yeah.
It literally, a bus freaking
It's like
didn't
you're-
even stop for us. I had a four-ways on. We're in the middle of the road pulling him out.
So we pull up a DK. Guy's in the ditch, can't even get out of the truck. You know, it's snowing. Road is so greasy, I can't even stand up on it. You know, hook up the tow strap, go to rip him out. Here comes a Newcastle City bus straight at us. I'm flagging it down, waving my hands, telling it to stop. I thought I was gonna take out the front of Benji's truck.
Pizzer's out there stopping
I
traffic.
found the one guy that works for the city that's not a slacker. He's
Yeah.
gonna get through no matter what.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter how many bodies he's gonna throw.
Invincible.
Don't be an idiot. Let me pull this footage first.
Pull that footage. Dash
This
cam.
camera didn't save that. I'm gonna be so jacked.
Is it not on there?
Here's the mailbox. Bing! Oh! There's more.
Van, just fly.
Benji doesn't have time for long YouTube videos. He's got trikes to build, coffees to drink. The next episode of the Garage Vlog is right around the corner.